Hi, I'm foreclosure defense lawyer Michael Wasylik, and I'm here today to talk about how to pick a lawyer for foreclosure cases. Just the other day, I got my local newspaper, and on the back of it, there's this ad for a lawyer here in town, advertising for foreclosure cases. And he says, "Hire a local attorney to help." Now, I don't want to use the guy's name, but he's here in my city, and he advertises for loan mods, strategic defaults, foreclosure cases, foreclosure defense of all kinds. And he's here in this city, I'm here in this city. I've been to more court hearings in foreclosure cases than I can even count in this city, and I've never seen the guy. Never seen him. So the question I have to wonder about is, if he claims to do foreclosure defense, how come he's never in court? How come I never see him in trials? How come I never see him in hearings? And that leads me to the next question, is when you're considering hiring a foreclosure lawyer, what kind of things should you be looking for? And I think the first thing you need to look for is somebody who's willing to fight and somebody who's able to win. Now, in all of 2013, I had 25 contested foreclosure trials. I lost 3 of them. Now, whenever you're looking to have an attorney help you with a foreclosure case, the first thing you need to know is, if we have to fight, if we can't agree, if we have to fight with the bank, do you know how to win? Do you know how to take it all the way? Are you afraid to go to trial, or are you willing to stand up for me in the courtroom? I know of about a handful of attorneys across the state who have a similar record in trial, both here in the Bay Area and also South Florida and elsewhere in Jacksonville. But there's not many. And so when you're looking to hire a foreclosure lawyer, not only do you know how to settle the case, you also need to know how are you going to do if we have to fight. And so the first thing you need to do is ask, what's your record? Have you ever gone to trial? Have you ever gone to trial? There are a lot of foreclosure lawyers out there who have never actually seen the inside of a courtroom in a trial setting. And now more than ever, that's really important, because the courts are pushing more and more cases to trial. You need somebody who, if it comes to a trial, can stand up for you and knows how to win. So that's the first question you should ask. The next question you should ask is, can I come see you? Can I come see you in court? Can I come see you in a hearing? I'm more than happy to have people come watch me in court when I'm arguing a case. And more often than not, people watch me and then they want to hire me. Actually, in fact, that happens to me all the time. I'll finish an argument, I'll come out of the courtroom, and somebody will run, follow me, and say, excuse me, say, I've got a foreclosure case too. I saw what you did and I want to hire you. So I encourage you, come watch me in hearing, watch anybody in court that's you're considering hiring for foreclosure. And if they're never in court, that should raise a red flag for you. So going back to that ad, one of the most important things is his big thing is that he's local. Local doesn't matter if you don't know how to win. Local's great, but only if you know how to fight and only if you know how to protect your clients. So that's the first thing you should ask yourself is this guy going to stand up for me? Is this guy going to win for me? If you have any questions about me or about how I practice, or you want to come watch me in hearing, give us a call. It's 352-567-3173. That's 352-567-3173. I'm foreclosure lawyer Michael Wasylik. Thanks for watching this video.